In this lesson video, we will first introduce complementary and supplementary angles. Then we will learn how to draw complementary and supplementary angle of a given angle using protractor. Then we will see how to check whether a given pair of angles is complementary or supplementary. Now we will learn what is complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles. Two angles are complementary to each other if their summation is 90 degree. So for example, in this figure, angle AOX, this angle, and angle AOY, this angle, together, if we sum them up, then it will be XOY. So this part of the angle and this part of the angle, so the total, this part of the angle, which is right angle. So the sum of angle AOX and AOY is 90 degree, that is right angle. Then angle AOX is a complementary angle of angle AOY, or vice versa, angle AOY is a complementary angle of AOX. That means if we have two angle A and angle B, they will be complementary to each other if their summation is 90 degree. So two angle, if their summation is 90 degree, then one is complementary to another. So for example, here we are asked to determine the complementary angle of a given angle. So if we are given an angle, how we can find complementary angle of it? So we know the two angle will be complementary if their summation is 90 degree. That means we need to find the complementary angle of 11 degree, we need to find another angle, so that by summing up that angle with 11, we will get 90 degree. So what we need to do is simply we need to subtract. If we subtract 11 degree from 90 degree, we will be getting 79 degree. So 79 degree and 11 degree, if we add them together, that will give us 90 degree. So that means they are complementary to each other. So finding complementary angle of a given angle is very simple. We just need to subtract the given angle from 90 degree. That will give us the complementary angle of the given angle. So the complementary angle of 11 degree is 79 degree. Similarly, the complementary angle of 28 degree will be 90 degree minus 28 degree, which is 62 degree. Similarly, complementary angle of 47 degree will be 90 degree minus 47 degree, which will be 43 degree. Similarly, complementary angle of 70 degree will be 90 degree minus 70 degree, that means 20 degree. So very simple. Finding complementary angle of a given angle is very simple, just subtracting that given angle from 90 degree. Now the supplementary angle. Two angles are called supplementary to each other if their summations are 360 degree. That means if two angles, say P and angle Q, if their summation is 360 degree, sorry, not 360 degree, actually it's 180 degree. If the summation of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angle of each other. So for example, here angle XOB, this angle, and angle BOX prime, there is a prime here, this angle, together they make a straight angle XOX, and straight angle value XOX prime is 180 degree. We know that the straight angle is 180 degree. So angle XOB and BOX prime, these together are making 180 degree. That means this XOB angle is supplementary to angle BOX prime, or vice versa, angle BOX prime is supplementary to angle BOX. So two angles are supplementary if their summations are giving 180 degree. So for example, here we are asked to determine the supplementary angle of a given angle. So for example, supplementary angle of a 36 degree. Simple. What we need to do is we need to subtract now the given angle from 180 degree. So we will get 144 degree. So if we add this 144 with 36, we will get 180. So this 144 degree angle is the supplementary angle of 36 degree angle. Similarly, for 88 degree, if we subtract it from 180 degree, we will get 92 degree. So this angle 92 degree is the supplementary angle of 88 degree. Similarly, if we subtract 111 degree from 180 degree, we will get 69 degree. So this 69 degree angle is the supplementary angle of 111 degree. And finally, if we subtract 162 degree from 180 degree, then we will get 18 degree. So this 18 degree angle is the supplementary angle of 162 degree. So in conclusion, two angles are complementary to each other if their summations are 90 degree, and two angles are supplementary to each other, supplementary angles to each other, if their summations are 180 degree. So we just need to remember these two relation, and calculating complementary angle or supplementary angle for given angles are very easy. For complementary angle, we just need to subtract the given angle from 90 degree, and to calculate supplementary angle, we need to subtract the given angle from 180 degree.